Hi, I'm Matt Finn, Chief Economist and Director of Portfolio Management for Old National Wealth Management. Our 2018 economic and market outlook remains focused on the key drivers in the economy that have carried us this far. While there are always surprises and unexpected developments, the fundamental trends of low unemployment, perhaps 3.7 next year and 3.5% in 2019, coupled with modest inflation, probably no more than 2 to 2.5% next year, thanks to a Federal Reserve monetary policy that will keep the economy from overheating with 3 to 4 rate increases next year. Although we didn't see it in 2017, we believe further tightening in the labor market will push wages up. As a result, consumer confidence will remain elevated. Happy and optimistic consumers tend to spend more, pushing retail sales higher. From a global perspective, virtually all of the world's major economies are expanding, and none are forecasted to go into a recession for 2018. Rising interest rates in the U.S. will keep upward pressure on the value of the U.S. dollar, but growing GDP in other countries will support the value of their currencies as well, still making U.S. goods affordable and thus keeping the demand for U.S. goods and services at a sustainable pace. As far as the stock market goes, we think the theme for next year is diversification. You're going to need it. It's been very difficult to stay broadly diversified lately because almost every other asset class has underperformed large cap U.S. stocks. But when you look at a longer term trend, large cap stocks like those in the S&P 500 are rarely the top performing asset class compared to small cap stocks, emerging market stocks, real estate, and even sometimes bonds. Now, it's impossible to predict which one of those will be on top from year to year, but that's why we stress a diversified approach. What we do know is that U.S. stock returns have been significantly above their long-term average for quite some time. We don't know how much longer that can be sustained, but sooner or later, U.S. stock returns will experience a mean reversion. And when they do, diversification will be the key to superior returns. As always, please reach out to your nearest wealth management office if you have any questions, or click on the link below to be directed to one of our investment professionals.